Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add the HostSinger AI content creator in WordPress. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your HostSinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to add the HostSinger AI content creator on, click on this dashboard button. Now switch to WordPress, then Overview. And as you see, they are now trying to promote it, so you will see it first in this little box. As you see, this is HostSinger AI Assistant. Try our tools to generate engaging content for your WordPress website with the help of AI technology. You can install this plugin from this button. And if you don't see this box right away, just scroll down to recommended installations and you will see the HostSinger AI plugin also here. Click on install and wait a moment. As you see, HostSinger AI plugin installed successfully. Now let's log in to my WordPress dashboard of the same website. And just like that, I have the AI content creator tool added here below HostSinger. Let's click on it. As you see, AI content creator. You can read this HostSinger official guide about it, but it's pretty much simple. How to use it? First? Let them know what you want to make. For example, I want to create a post or a page. Select it from here. From the tone of voice, select between neutral, formal, trustworthy, friendly, or witty. Let's go, for example, with trustworthy. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my HostSinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with HostSinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like HostSinger Website Builder or HostSinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Let's go, for example, with trustworthy. You can select multiple tones of voice. After that, select the content length between short, medium, or long. Let's go with long. And here, what is your content about? Let them know more about your content idea. For example, an article about how to use WordPress to dive into word development, including tutorials, how to use it in a simple way. So in my case, I will ask them to write an article for me about, for example, the importance of SEO for local businesses. And here, as you see, you're good to go, but you can share more details for better results. So the more details you give them, the more precise result you get. For example, the importance of SEO for local businesses located in, for example, NYC, or for example, for barber shops located in NYC. What are the focus keywords of your content? For example, here you already did a keyword research using, for example, tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, for example, or what is the tool I am using personally? It's not SEMrush. Ubersuggest. For example, here, let's say I did my keyword research and I am targeting, for example, the keyword, for example, SEO for local businesses, for local business, barber shop business. Let's do a real keyword research for this. For example, barbershop movie, barbershop next cut, or for example, barbershop CEO, benefits of being a barber. I think yes, this word can copy keyword. Let's put it here. Barber. Let's edit my keyword. But before this, copy this. Barber business SEO, local business. Click on search. Barbershop. Let's jump, or let's check the related page. Positioning SEO, park SEO, search engine. Company SEO, local business near me, SEO on Google. This is a good keyword, but or let's try to set the SEO difficulty for easy. Apply. Now, as you see here, the SEO difficulty is only green. SEO. Let's add this keyword. Best company SEO. Those keywords are not the best keywords that you can use, but I'm trying to hurry up to not make this video longer. Now let's add those keywords here. Benefits of being a barber, website SEO analyze, best SEO company. Now hit create content and wait a moment. And this is the photo they generated for me. You can use this image as the external featured image. You can also check this box to insert it inside content. I will keep it just for the external. The title is The Importance of SEO for Barbershops in NYC, Understanding SEO, Why Local SEO Matters for Barbershop. This is a good title. In the ever-competitive arena of service-based business, local SEO is of paramount importance. As you see, the word SEO is well balanced. Local SEO, I think this is one of the keywords I've targeted. Local SEO, meta description. I really like this tool, setting up Google My Business for your barber shop. Saying Google My Business into your article means that this AI or Hostinger AI really understands what you are trying to talk about. Keyword research tips for barbershops. This is good. SEMrush, they talked about the Google Keyword Planners as SEMrush and Ahrefs. On-page SEO techniques for barbershop websites. This is a really good. I was trying to say a draft, but this can be published. But you are required to read it carefully before publishing it to know what you are saying online. Using SEO analytics to measure success. This is really good. Staying ahead of SEO trends. So this AI article is really long as I've asked for. Real life SEO success stories for NYC barbershops. So, and this edit as you can hear, you can, as you see, this is a 2600 words article. You can publish it from here directly, or you can edit as draft. Of course, you need to edit it first by adding images, videos, links, external links, internal links. So optimize your article to really optimize your article, and then you can publish it from here. Let's view this article live, view post, and this is my article, understanding SEO. So this is a really good article. So this is how to add the Hostinger AI content creator in WordPress, and also how to use it. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.